Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. All those really do help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that'll take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is the OdorTrap Little Pods by Whiskers. So these things are absolutely amazing at making your litter box smell great. So if you've never tried them before, when you get them, they come in this little bag right here, and there's 6 little pods inside the bag. Once you open the bag up, this is what the pods look like. So as you can see, they're full of these little beads. Now, these beads are made out of natural plant-based ingredients and essential oils. You really smell the fragrances when you open it up. I can pick up some like cedar woods and just some kind of more citrusy smells. Absolutely makes it smell great. So how you utilize these. If you have the Litter Robot 3, you're just going to simply toss this in the waste basket area. If you have a traditional litter box, just a plain Jane litter box, you can pick up the OdorTrap basically pod device, which is just a little plastic housing that has a bunch of slots in it. You're going to put this in there and just stick it to the side of your litter box. Now, if you're like me and you have the Litter Robot 4, you're going to go into the app. You're going to hit the control button, and then you're going to go replace filters. It's going to spin that around, and you're going to see where the carbon filter goes. You're going to put these guys in that slot right there, because that is where the air comes out, and it neutralizes those odors. So Whiskers suggests that you change these out every 2 weeks. However, I typically change them out once a month. So if you kind of just play with it, depends on how many cats you have, kind of how much air is moving around. But like I said, I easily get a month out of it before I kind of notice those odors going away. And so essentially, when you get a bag, you're going to get, according to them, you'll get about 3 months. But if you kind of use it like I do, you'll get it 6 months. So they last for a while, and they work very, very well. And so if you are looking to conquer litter box odors, I think this is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.